again. Okay, so now you hold it and I'm going to push on it.
It went off for a second.
Oh, let me show that too, that the light's on. So the light's off when we're pushing on it. And I let go and the light comes back on. You push the button trying to get it to open, and it won't open. There, if I push down by the latch, it shuts. I got it shut, so now it'll open. Which tells me it's probably the latch. Okay, hold on, see if it shuts.
Nope.
Nope, did it again. So now we have the light on. Push the button to open it, won't open. If I push down by the latch, there we go, that's all it takes, is pushing by the latch. Lights off, and it works.